Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 23rd video of Lightning Web Component series. In the same video, we will be understanding how we can create a dynamic pick list in Lightning Web Component. I remember in Aura component, we used to call a picks class, and by using a picks class, we use a getDescribe method in order to get the dynamic pick list. But if I talk about LWC, we will not be calling Apex at all. We will be using the Lightning data service, like we have used the create form, update form earlier. If you want to see my videos, I have already created the videos for create update. We are on 23rd video, so I think we have created it from 12 to 14 videos that you can refer in the same playlist of Lightning Web Component. So let's come back to the point. So we will be using Lightning data service in order to get the pick list field, and by buyer method we will be getting all the field options that are available in LWC. So let's see how we will be doing it. So this video will be most interesting video till now. So let's start this video. So let's start building our dynamic picklist component. First, let's create a Lightning Web component here. So I will be going here and I will be creating a Lightning Web component with the name picklist. So let's name it picklist final cut. So this is a method component name. So first thing that I always forget is updating the XML. So first we will be updating the XML file. Since I will be adding this component on my home page, so I will be first adding the is expose equal to true, and further what I will be doing, I will be giving targets, and in the targets I will be providing a target as lightning underscore home page. Make sure that you use the case sensitivity, because in XML and JS it is case sensitive. So make sure that home H is capital and P is capital. Once we are done with this, we will be starting with our HTML part. So first of all, what I will be doing, I will be adding lightning hyphen card. I will be adding title. In the title I will be adding custom picklist component, and once we add a custom picklist component, I will just give a custom object here. So it has been provided here. So I just taken the suggestion, so we will be talking about suggestion in a minute. So further in the next step, what I have created a div, and if I talk about closing this div, so let's first let's add a tab here. So I will be just closing this div here, so that I don't feel any issue here. So now you might be thinking, Trishu, you are ignoring the combo box, but at the end of the day you will be taking the combo box. I just want to be in the flow. So next thing that what I will be doing is I will be adding a combo box. Combo box is basically a functionality that provide me a drop down in Salesforce. So if you want a dual combo box, you can use a dual combo box. You can use the same in multi-select picklist. We will be adding a mini project further where we will be creating a SOQL, just like a workbench which we get in the workbench. So for now we will be just creating a simple drop down that will have the industry field of the account. So in order to do same, I will be using the Lightning combo box. So it has 4 values. First is name, second is label, that is select industry, third is value, that is the selected industry which the person will be selected in, and fourth is basically the options that the options is. Since we will be working it in such a way that if a person select one option on the change of the same, I want that selected option to come on the downside in the template if. So what I will be doing, I will be just adding here. Let's add a tab here. I think it is not giving on change is equal to, I will be giving handle change here. So let's give handle. So I will be handle change. So once it is done, so I will be closing this out, and after closing it, I will be cutting this full, and I will be pasting this combo box here. So let's cut it out and let's paste this combo box here. So once we are done with the pasting of combo box, I think our lightning card is creating issue. Now it will not give an issue. So once our this is done, so now after this I will be taking template if. So we have taken, so this has given me the code where I have taken if template if true, if the selected industry is not equal to blank, then I will be just defining the p tag where I will be just printing the selected industry, and after that I will be closing the template. So this complete our HTML. So you can just do this. If you want to make a dependent pick list as well, you can disable the same. So we have a disable tag as well, and on the dependency of the same I can get the value as well. So we will be also keeping the demo of the dependence pick list further after doing this problem statement. So let's go on to JS now. Before going on to JS, we will add a selected value here because I will be using this variable as a getter setter. So what I will be doing, selected value. So let's make it selected value and let's save this because it is reactive in nature. So let's change it out, and once we are done with this, so let's go here and we will be adding two variable. One is track here and another is wire here. So if I talk about using the multi-select pick list, so we will be using first method that I will be using is import get object info from Lightning from object info, and I will be using the get picklist value. These are the two variables through which we will be making our dynamic pick list, that is get object info and further next is get picklist value. So these both are from Lightning data service, so we just have to import that in order to use the same. So once we are done with this, we will be going here and we will be just adding this code, that is we will be taking a selected industry as a blank string, that is since no one has selected first, so we will be giving it here and we will be adding a track variable in the industry option and we will be taking it as array. Why we have taken it as array? Because we will be getting all the selected options from there. Now we just need to give the object. So this is a method through which I can give an object, that is wire get object info. I have used this service from the Lightning data service, and by using this I have added an object API name. So this is a syntax in order to get the object. So here from getting the object, so I'm adding the account and I'm getting the object. Once we are done with this, I will be doing the second part where I will be getting all the value. So I have just pasted the code here, not pasted, but ChatGPT has given me the recommendation. So in order to do same, this now our get picklist value has been linked with the wire method, and record type ID I need to suggest in the field the API name that I want to get it here. So it is industry. So I haven't provided the same. So what I will be doing, import account from Salesforce schema account. So we need to pick these two fields as well, that is account, and here we have picked the industry as well. So here you have to map it in such a way that account will be mapped here. So I will not be adding this like this. So let's give an account here. So by doing this, our account field will be made, and here if I talk about here, I just need to get the dollar sign. So we will not be using it completely, we will be adding a dollar sign here. First I will be getting object info dot data dot get record type, and here I need to give not like this, that is account dot industry. Since we have imported it from here, so we will be just providing, so we are doing the same part here. So there is nothing, but it is better because we are not doing any hard coding here. So let's say this has one benefit. If you go from this method, let's take an example. If some person has changed the API name of industry, since this is a standard field, this will not matter most. Let's take an example. Some person has changed the value of API name of a field, that is a custom field, and you directly hard code the value like this, like ChatGPT or Agentforce has provided, like account.industry. This will never happen that you will be getting the issue. And let's take an example if the API name get changed. So now over, if I go like with this approach, it will definitely get it change here because I have just imported it from Salesforce. So let's assume that if somebody has changed the field from industry to industry 1. So now Salesforce will take a charge in order to get the best field that is available. So we will be just getting this industry here instead of getting the field API name. So I will be deleting this here and I will be just pasting industry here. So we will be saving this out. Once we are done with this, so we have two values here, that is picklist value, so data and error. So here I will be using the map method of JavaScript in order to get my label and value populated. So by using the map value, so industry option is an array that has been provided here. So I will be mapping it. So data dot values dot map item, I will be taking a variable name as item, and here I will be adding label is equal to item dot label and item dot value. Once we are done with this, we will be saving this out, and once we are done with this, our data will come and after this fire method I will be just adding one more method, that is handle change. So this is a handle change method that will help me in order to get the event.detail.value. So by using handle change, as soon as a person selected the selected industry, so selected industry will get the updated value. So you can also do the console.log here. I'm adding a console.log here, this dot selected industry. So by doing this, we will be able to pick the industry, and you might have remembered that we have created one value, that is selected value. So based upon selected value, I will be creating a getter method here, return this dot industry. So if this selected industry has value, then we will be providing this value, else we will be adding a blank value. So let's save this out. Now it is a time to deploy our component. So let's deploy our component and see if the component is getting deployed successfully. Yes, it is getting deployed successfully. So we will be landing into the Salesforce screen and we will be checking if this picklist final cut is giving me the pick list of industry or not, and the functionality is working as expected or not. So let's open the Salesforce screen. Now our Salesforce has been opened. So now it is a time to test our Lightning Web component that we have created. So we will be selecting edit button. So let's go on edit page. Once we go on edit page, our component name is picklist final cut. So we will be dragging and dropping picklist final cut here. So let's drag and drop it here. So as soon as we click save, you will be seeing that this component has been created. So now it is a time to test if our picklist is getting a value or not. So, oops, it is not giving us a value. So let's debug our code. So yes, if I go here, so it is object info, that is O capital, and if I go here, it is O capital. I was wrong, it should not be capital, it should be of small letter set. So let's make it small. Let's save it out. So you need to take care that here the object info is capital, that is get object info, and here you are giving it a small, that is O should be small here. So let's deploy it out and let's check it again if I'm able to get the things. Also I have done one more mistake, so with saving the time, so I will be fixing that error as well. So this is selected value, so I was debugging earlier, so I found this out. This is S capital, and here if I talk about HTML, I made the S small. So let's paste it here as well. So this can also raise the issue, so I will be deploying my component. So once it is deployed, I will be going on to my home screen. So and here I will be clicking empty cache and hard reload. So as soon as I click empty cache and hard reload, so now you will be checking, you will be able to get the pick list. So you need to take care for the O. So O should be small while getting the pick list field. So as soon as I select biotechnology, it is giving biotechnology, and as soon as I select the communication, it is giving the chemical. So we have all the industries here, so all the industries are coming in the same manner like I am getting. So this complete our video number 23 of Lightning Web Component. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such content. Have a nice day.